Welcome to Order Printer Pro. My name is FORSBERG+two, the creator of the app, and I'm going to give you a really quick walkthrough of the main features. So when you first log into Order Printer Pro, you'll arrive on this recent orders page. Here you can see your 10 most recent orders, but the best way to actually select orders that you'd like to generate documents for is within the Shopify admin itself. So if you jump to the order section, you can put checkboxes on the orders you'd like to load. Then in the bottom menu, you can select Print with Order Printer Pro, and that will load the app with these orders already selected and generate your chosen documents. You can choose to activate others with like a receipt invoice. It will generate those as well. And then you can print, export as PDF. The app also supports draft orders or quotes. And again, the same there is the fastest way is actually to select them within Shopify and then load the app. You can also do it for a single order. So if we jump to in the Shopify admin to a single order, you can go to more actions and then you can load the app directly for just this order. Now, of course, your documents are made up of these templates, and we provide pre-made templates when you install the app. You can, of course, customize them, add your logo and so forth, and you can do that from the Manage Templates page. And here's the templates. You can see there's a receipt, packing slip, quotes for draft orders, returns form, and you can reorder these. The pre-selected for, this is which document should be generated automatically when you access the app. So if I'm in the order section of Shopify, I would like the packing slip. Whenever I load the app for an order from the order section, I'd like a packing slip generated automatically. You can see for the draft orders, I've got the quote for draft orders document, which means whenever I come from the draft order section of Shopify, this document will be generated automatically. So it's a quick way to say, I want this particular document type whenever I'm choosing this type of order in Shopify. It also supports POS orders. So if you're in the Shopify POS app, you can select which document should be pre-selected when you open the app. Now, one of the main things I'd suggest doing is customize your branding. This allows you to upload your logo, choose how big the logo should be, and also choose an accent color for your documents. So I've already uploaded these, but if we now jump into one of these templates, you can see in the preview that all of the templates will use the logo. The accent color is black, so you can see this line is black, but otherwise these would sort of give it a bit of pop of color to match your brand. Jump back out into the templates. And the other main thing that I would really suggest setting up from the beginning is to deliver the receipt and invoice electronically to the customers, so that you're not printing them and putting them in the package, but instead they get them delivered automatically via email as a PDF. And to do that, you can just click the Setup PDF link. And here you can choose what paper size you'd like, where do you want to add this, and generally would suggest the shipping confirmation email, which is automatically sent to customers when you ship their products. So within that email, they'll be able to click a link that says download PDF receipt, and the document, your invoice document, will automatically be generated as a PDF for them with their order details. And that's the main features of the app. You can, of course, customize the documents. You can also go to the account to check on your subscription. You can customize your branding, see activity, and so forth. But generally, you'll be working from the print page, this one, where you can generate documents, print, and export as PDF as well. So I hope that was useful. And if you have any questions at all, get in contact with our support team. They're available 24/7 and more than happy to hear from you. Thank you.